in one.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Oh my gosh! What did you just do?
Nothing.
Yes, you did!
Oh my god.
Leave!
I think you need my number.
Why would I need help from you?
Oh, no, just
Leave me alone! Leave!
go home, you crazy.
Leave! Leave! Go away!
Go home, you crazy.
Leave!
I did. My family. Just such lovely people. What would I do without a chicken? I don't know. I need to take some therapy calls. It's crazy over there.
Okay, welcome to your new home, Mr. Chicken.
Yeah, I can schedule an appointment with you tomorrow. Yes, I'm Dr. Walter. Don't make fun of my name. You're not getting an appointment. Ha ha ha.
What will this number do? I don't know.
Stupid phone.
Stupid ringing.
It's supposed to be getting Oh. Hello, Dr. Walter on the phone.
Who the heck is Dr. Walter?
I'm a therapist. I help people with their problems.
Are you the bozo who bumped into me at the market?
Duh, I gave you the number so you would call me and lose your probs.
Well, excuse me, I can't see you through the phone.
That's great for you. Just, you want an appointment or not?
Sure, why not?
Okay, make sure you bring your chicken. Gotta go.
How do you know I have a chicken? He hung up on me. Ugh.
Tomorrow. Okay, come into my office, crazy. Dude! That's where you sit.
Well,
Lay down. Lay down. So, tell me,
I'm
what's been going on lately?
what do you think? I beat you with a chicken.
Sit down right now before I sit on you. So, what are you afraid of?
I'm afraid of your face.
I'm afraid of your face.
Wait. I wasn't holding you properly.
Sit down. So, how do you feel about that?
Defeated.
How do you feel about that?
I feel like you need a life.
I'm gonna come sit on. So, how does that make you feel?
Get your butt off of me.
Tell me it'll be normal.
Bye.
And that was the end.